Good day, everyone, and welcome back. Are you ready? So, this is the last part of our topic for prelim period, and this is on the topic or the symbol, shorthand symbol for the sound of long I. So, here we go. Okay, so as you can see, we have the long I in longhand, and it is indicated with this phonetic symbol, which is letter I and a hyphen on top of it. So meaning to say, when you see this symbol, when you look in your Merriam dictionary, it means that the sound or the way you pronounce it is long I. Like for example, we have high, my, might, mine, tie, tide, night, die, and dying. And as per shorthand principle, long I is represented by a broken circle. The size is exactly the same with letter A, which is a large circle. However, the only difference is that it is or it has a line in between or at the center to indicate that it is a broken circle. So let me illustrate how to write it. So we have to make a large circle first and come up with a line at the center to make it broken. So here we go. Let me write the outlines for the following words. So as you can see, for the word high, we only have H and long I. We deleted or we do not include letter G and H because they are silent letters. Same with the word my. We do not hear the sound of letter Y, but the sound of long I. So that's why it's M and long I. For the word might, it's only M, long I, and T. Again, these silent letters G and H are not included in our shorthand spelling. For the word mine, we only have M, long I, and N. We do not hear the sound of letter E. For the word tie, we only have T and long I. Again, this silent letter E is not pronounced, therefore we exclude it. For the word tide, it's only T, long I, and D. We do not hear the silent letter E. For the word night, we only have N, long I, and D. G and H are silent letters and are omitted. For the word die, the same sounds but different meanings. So we have the letter D and long I only. We do not hear the sound of E. And for the other word, we do not hear the sound of Y and E. It's only D and long I. And for the word dying, we do not hear the sound of Y. It's only D, long I, and ing. So now let me illustrate the shorthand outlines. Let me start with high. So it's a broken circle and, of course, a dot representing letter H. For the word my, it's letter M and a broken circle. For the word might, it's letter M and a broken circle and T. Mine, M, broken circle and N. Tie, letter T and a broken circle. Let me repeat. It's letter T and a broken circle. Tide, we have letter T, broken circle, and D. Night, we have N, broken circle, and T. For the word die, we have D and a broken circle. And for dying, we have D, broken circle, and a dot here, representing ing. So now it is clear to all of you how the shorthand outline is written for the sound of long I with the following examples. So this is hi, my, might, mine, tie, tide, night, die, and dying. Continue to practice reading and writing because that is the only secret for you to master and internalize the principles of Greg Shorthand. So see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching.